Are you also worried about gaining weight this Diwali? No worries, I'm here for you. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can enjoy your laddu and also not gain weight in this Diwali season. So yes, let's get into the video. First and foremost thing, you have to understand that your body is very differently reacting to stress. So whenever you are stressed about a situation, like if you have Diwali in place and you are not able to enjoy it to the way you want to enjoy, then it will lead to stress. Stress will lead to unwanted hunger cravings, and you will end up eating more even if you are just depriving yourself from having sweets. So first and foremost thing is you have to understand is that you don't have to pressurize yourself that I will not enjoy anything, I will not have my sweets, I will not enjoy it like others do because I have to take care of my body. You can take care of your body. One Diwali won't make any difference. 2 to 3 days of this festive season will just be a part of a very big life that you have. So you just have to see it in that way and avoid unwanted stress. Second important thing is sweets. We all love sweets. In Diwali, what we want is that we can enjoy it with our friends, family, and for ourselves. Diwali is the time for sweet exchange, and in India, it is very, very special, and for me as well. But one trick that has helped me is as much as you divide the love and sweets among people around you, you're more likely to spread love, less likely to binge on unwanted sweets. This festive season becomes a time where you can share love, sweets, and lot of happiness. So this can actually help. So yes, whenever you go get a box of sweets next time, keep 2 for yourself and let's divide it among your friends and family members. Next important thing that can help you maintain a healthy weight and take good care of what you're eating is managing your liquid calories. So the problem with sugar is when you are having it in a liquid form, it directly absorbs into your bloodstream. Cold drinks, juices, or any of the liquids in which you get a lot of sugar, avoid those calories as much as possible so that you can enjoy your festival with sweets and desserts that is made at home by your mother much more as compared to these sodas and liquids. Next important thing is portion control. Now, when I say that you need not to have sweets at Diwali time, it gives you stress. But when I say that you have to eat it, just be mindful of what you are having and eat it in a portion that makes you feel full, makes you satisfied. So you have to get control over a portion. Once you get into a portion control, I can assure you, not even Diwali, not even wedding season, no season in this world can actually make a difference to your body. Make sure that you get into a portion control habit. Even if you're not getting time to work out in Diwali season or festive season, you're able to balance the calories just because you're able to balance the portions. And when I say portions, if you really like besan ka laddu, then enjoy having just one laddu at a time. Don't go overboard with it. Make sure that you drink water before you're consuming your sweet so that at the time you're consuming your sweet, you're able to control and manage your portions. Next important thing that happens is because of the festive season, mostly when we have to go to our relatives or there is a lot of time people come over our place, there's a lot of delicacies that are prepared. So we keep ourselves hungry for the entire day. We don't eat at the right time every day and then we binge on to the delicacies directly. If you consume meals at right time every day as you used to do before the festive season, then you will not have that unwanted cravings and you will not end up eating more than what is required by your body. Overeating is caused by skipping your meals on time. So mostly whenever you have to go for a dinner at night, people tend to miss their lunch, they tend to miss their breakfast, and they end up eating more, even double the amount in their dinners. So it is better to consume meals at right time every day instead of skipping it entirely, and then make sure that you get into a portion control habit and have everything in balance. I know this is very easier said than done, But once you start developing and cultivating that habit that skipping my meal is not an option, restricting myself is not an option, then you will get into a habit of portion control. You will get in a habit of managing everything together and balancing it out instead of just restriction. Last but not the least, drink lots and lots of water. Keeping up with the hydration is primary whenever you are in a festive season, wedding season, or out for a travel plan, because when you're not satisfying your thirst, you are tend and bound to get unwanted cravings and unwanted hunger pangs. So in order to avoid that, drink lots of water, and specifically in this particular season, you don't tend to get thirsty. So you have to keep yourself reminded of that. Once you get reminded of drinking lots of water, you will avoid that unwanted hunger pangs. So yes, these are few tips that help people maintain their healthy body. Don't get into that stressful situation because of the festive season, because I don't want you to get into that. I want you all to enjoy the festival up to its maximum potential, because at the end of the day, life is all about happiness, enjoyment, and responsibility. So when you're responsible, you're happy, and you're not forcing yourself and restricting yourself too much, you are able to enjoy the festival up to its maximum potential. So yes, that is what this video was all about. Enjoy yourself, take care of yourself, stay safe, and yeah, that's it for this video. Happy Diwali to all of you. I wish you lots of love and success. Take good care of yourself and your body and enjoy. Thank you. Stay fit, stay happy.